The F-22 Raptor fighter aircraft, with all its technological advantages and impressive performance, is one of the most advanced fifth-generation fighter aircraft ever created. Built by Lockheed Martin, this aircraft has defined new standards in air dominance and air combat capabilities. With its aerodynamic design and lightweight composite materials, the F-22 Raptor combines speed, maneuverability, and durability in one stunning package. The aircraft has supercruise capability, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, allowing it to carry out air missions with extraordinary fuel efficiency. A key feature of the F-22 is its highly advanced AESA, Active Electronically Scanned Array, radar, which provides exceptional detection and tracking capabilities against air and ground targets. This aircraft is also equipped with infrared search technology, which is capable of detecting targets in various weather and lighting conditions. The stealth, hidden capabilities of the F-22 are extraordinary. The aircraft's specially designed surface covering reduces its radar signature, making it difficult to detect by enemy radar. This allows the F-22 to approach and engage air and ground threats undetected. In addition to air combat capabilities, the F-22 is also equipped with impressive ground attack capabilities. Carrying internal weapons, the aircraft can carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, enabling it to carry out multi-role missions with high success. Additionally, the F-22's advanced cockpit is equipped with advanced avionics systems that provide real-time information to the pilot, enabling him to make quick and intelligent decisions in combat. The aircraft also has strong electronic defense capabilities to protect itself from threats. In short, the F-22 Raptor is an excellent fighter that lives up to expectations in every way. With high technology, stealth capabilities, supercruise speed, and great air-ground combat capabilities, this aircraft is truly the king of the skies and the pinnacle of military aviation technology.